I hope you all are doing great. And guys, as you all can see, we have a guest on our channel. His name is Vishwanath and he's one of our subscriber. And recently, yesterday only, he got his offer letter from Infosys company. As you all know, guys, in the morning itself, I give you the update that Infosys starts sending offer letter to the candidates. So he is one of our subscriber who got shortlisted for Infosys company for the system engineer role. And it's a really great moment and great thing that Vishwanath came on our channel and he's sharing all his experience with us. First of all, Vishwanath, congratulations to you for your achievement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Vishwanath, it's great that you came on our channel and sharing your tips, your complete journey from the online test to the selection. Guys, it's very quick and really good thing that Vishwanath gave his interview on 1st September and he got his offer letter on 3rd September. So he don't have to wait much. Infosys gave him his offer very soon. So I want Vishwanath to share all his details, all his preparation tips and interview questions, interview experience that he met during the interview. So he's going to share all the tips with us. So please do watch the video till the end. This video will going to be very, very helpful for all of you. I'm sure you all will get to learn so much from Vishwanath and all his preparation tips you can use to crack your dream company. Okay, so now I would like to, Vishwanath, please introduce yourself in brief.
Hello guys, myself Vishwanatha PV. I pursued my computer science engineering at Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysuru. Actually, I have done my, I gave my aptitude test for Infosys on August 22nd. I prepared like actually 6 months back. Infosys came to our campus for like hiring the freshers. At that time, I was not prepared enough to like crack those that exam. Then I like after that I prepared for the off-campus drive of Infosys. Then like watching Asta ma'am's videos in YouTube and guidelines and other YouTubers videos. Like I started to prepare. Then I referred some of the previous question papers of Infosys, and I took some help from the Google. Then I prepared so well for this off-campus drive. Then finally I crack it. Then I get my results on August 28th, I think. After that, my interview on September 1st. I gave it like that interview moment was like it's very nice. My interviewer was very good. He asked me some of the technical questions. He didn't ask any HR questions to me. First of all, he asked me to introduce myself. I will explain you how it is to be. First of all, I don't think introduction is to be very particular, and it should be very short. Don't think like that. Whatever you want to add, you can add. Like at least particularly your introduction should consist of like your name, where you are from, and your educational details, hobbies, and strength, weakness, and yeah, this should be mandatory. And if you want to add anything, you can. Okay, it should be like your introduction should be like this is the first weapon to the interviewer. You can grab his attention towards you. Okay, I gave my introduction.
Just a moment, Vishwanath, if you can help other candidates, like you can share with us how you give your introduction answer at the time of interview, so that will really help other candidates to frame their answer.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, my introduction is to be like, hello, sir. Myself Vishwanatha PV. I'm coming from a small village called Palahalli, which come across Srirangapatna Taluk, Mandya district. I was born in a small nuclear family, which consists of 4 members. That's my mother, my father, me, and my younger sister. If you want to know about my educational details, I have done my schooling in River Valley English Medium School, at Srirangapatna. Then for the further studies, I moved on to the city which is very famous for its culture and the heritage, that is Mysuru. I have completed my pre-university education in Sadvidya Residential PU College at Mysuru. Then I pursued my graduation in Computer Science Engineering at Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysuru. If you want to know about my hobbies are like gymming, gardening, and watching movies. Whenever I get leisure time, I will prefer yoga. My strengths are my mindset, the way I deal with the things, my creativity, and I am a team player, leadership quality. I am a good communicator and as well as a listener too. My weakness is I'm really very attached to my family. So hope it's my weakness. And also I haven't thought for my lifetime. That is the harder you work, luckier you get. These all about my introduction part. Hopefully it's work on that day. Maybe on that day I am the best of mine. Um then after that he asked me some of the technical questions like yeah, first question is what is the difference between compiler and interpreter?
Okay.
I mentioned the coding languages which am good at, like a C, Java, Python, HTML, and DBMS. Yeah, he asked a difference between interpreter and compiler. Yeah, it's very easy question. I made it. Then he asked me about class. What is class? Explain with an example. Then yeah, actually Java, Python, and C is like I'm good at C actually. I know basic concepts of Java and Python, and I explain each and everything very deeply with an example. Actually, I suggest you, if the interviewer ask any questions to you, you have to answer whatever the thing you know in briefly and with giving live examples that attracts him, that makes him to feel like you know something in a creative way.
Right.
Okay. Then he asked me after that. Yeah, I explained class with an example. Then oops concepts. He
Okay.
asked me oops concepts. Yeah, I explained each and everything. As you all know, that four pillars of oops. Then he asked me about what is the basic concepts of Python.
Mhm.
Actually, I don't know that much about Python, but I explained basic concepts like as you all know that Python is an interpreted language and which is also advanced to OOPS concepts, and which the data types are inbuilt in the Python, and some of the features of the Pythons are like artificial intelligence and
Mhm.
machine learning. Yeah, this much I explained. And after that, he asked me, what is the difference between Java and Python?
Okay.
And actually, you know, that interviewer always try to make me to make some wrong, make me to give some wrong answers. Like already I told him, like, sir, I'm good at C, but I know basics of Java and Python. But he only asks questions from Java and Python.
Okay.
He
Because
tried
Python is the
to
most required technology, right? Programming language, no? It's in trend
yes,
actually. That's
yes,
why he asked you all those
yes.
questions. And
I don't
look,
know.
you belong to CS branch, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why he's expecting that you should know about Java and Python also. If you belong to some
Yeah,
non-CS branch, I'm sure the interviewer will not going to stretch so much question on Python or Java.
yes, ma'am.
But you belong to CS, that's why
Yes,
he
ma'am.
stressed on that.
Oh, yes, ma'am. After this question, he was like, he didn't ask anything. He said that I will reach you with my feedback. Then that session will be in. Actually, this person quite very like is pretty good. I think I answered all those questions in a good way. And on that day, I was in a good mood and I did very nicely. And I didn't expect that I got results in very short stretch. I have done with my interview on September 1st. Then I got my results on September 3rd. You
And
know,
you'll have
guys,
your joining on?
joining on September 13th. It's
Okay,
very
that's great
fast.
actually. Yeah, it's very fast and it's great. You get the chance to
Actually,
join Infosys as soon as possible.
yes, ma'am. Actually, your videos and you have interviewed many students who got placed in Infosys. I watched all those videos, and those videos motive me. Most of the days I haven't slept because I from 1 year, from last 1 year, I'm trying to like get job because I'm a fresher. I'm not a like I am from 2021 batch only. But
Okay.
my aim is to, after completion of my graduation, I have to work. I don't
Right.
want to sit at home. So
Hmm.
this is my mindset. So I'm struggling every day. I'm struggling. Actually, my academic score was good, but I don't know why I can't crack those interviews. Then finally, I decide to like make some changes and prepare in a like different way. Like don't like prepare blindly. Don't study everything, guys. Just do some researches about interviews for which companies you want to give, and refer some of the previous year question papers. That will be helpful.
Right.
And yeah,
We should
after
work
that
smartly
you can.
actually. If you want to
Ma'am?
crack any good company now, we should work smartly. We should do some research about
Yeah, ma'am.
that company, about their
Yeah,
technologies on which they are working, about the projects that they're working. So that will
yeah,
really
it's
help
very
us.
yeah, it's very important. And for interview questions, I have prepared from the Google.
Okay.
I have typed technical questions for freshers, for particularly for Infosys. Then I got some list of questions from Python, Java, C, and all. Then I studied those questions. Actually, we know all those basic concepts. Just I read those questions and attend the interview on September 1st. Finally, I made it. I'm very happy about the result, and it's very fast in a small stretch. Yes.
Okay. Great. So this is your interview, and they didn't ask you anything about your projects.
No, ma'am. That's the shocking thing because I thought he didn't ask that much questions. So I thought maybe he was not interested to listen me. Maybe he was not impressed with my answers and all. But finally, I don't know. But finally, he said that Vishwanath, nice. Yeah, he said that word, nice. But I don't know. Yeah, he will select me, and he sent me that like joining letter very in a very short time.
Okay. No,
Finally,
actually, seeing maybe whatever questions he asked, you gave answers correctly. That's why he don't think of or have a requirement to ask you much about your projects, because they just want to check your technical knowledge, your basic concepts knowledge. Actually, they just want the candidate should have basic concepts clear. So maybe he got his
okay.
answers from your questions only, from whatever questions they ask you.
Actually,
Yeah.
ma'am, whatever the questions I get from him, I answered thoroughly with live examples,
Yeah.
and I'm not mug up anything. I explain whatever I know, and with my own words, and he was accept that thing, and he was like very happy, I think.
Right. So this is really great. Your interview goes well. So
And
I just want that you should give us brief tips about the online test as well. Okay.
okay,
How you
ma'am.
prepare for your online test?
For online test, first of all, you have to research about that particular company, and then collect those previous year question papers, and just go through them, and just find out which are the questions, which type of questions are repeated, and
Okay.
practice those questions.
Mhm.
Okay, then most difficult thing is verbal ability in Infosys. Actually, for Infosys, its verbal ability is very difficult, like 20 questions in 20 minutes. And also it's very tricky. It's not difficult, it's tricky. We
Okay.
can't crack if we like see simply, it's looks like it's very easy, but if we get into that questions, it's confusing us.
Okay.
Okay, then for cracking the aptitude test, yeah, then you have to prepare
Okay. Which
well.
section you feel
I
is difficult, like puzzle, pseudocode, or which section
Verbal
you
ability,
feel
ma'am.
that yeah, it is difficult section and we have to do extra effort in that?
I think verbal ability, ma'am.
Okay.
verbal ability.
Okay,
Because in technical aptitude and logical reasoning, these all like everyday problem solving questions. These verbal ability are like we are not practicing every grammar things, and whenever we are talking, we are not considering that every sentence to be grammatically corrected, because we are trying to reach our thoughts to people.
Right.
Okay, so we are not concentrate on the grammars and all. So when we are come to verbal ability section, vocabulary sections, it's to be like very strict and very constrained in some of the boxes. Like you have to give answers like this only. You have to talk like this, like yeah, it's like that only. So I feel very sophisticated. Then I practice. I think I watch 5 to 6 videos on verbal ability. I prepared, and also I watch 3 to 4 videos on synonyms and like glossaries and all. And yeah,
if you want to do preparation for verbal ability, the most important thing is you should know about the pattern, like on which type of questions that particular company will going to ask questions based on.
Yeah,
And you should have your
actually,
grammar
ma'am.
concepts clear actually. When
Yeah,
you do Google,
actually,
you
in
can search
verbal,
on Google easily. You'll get so many questions based on verbal ability. Right, topic wise
yeah,
also you can do the preparation, so that's great. So Vishwanath, for you the verbal
actually,
ability was difficult,
hmm,
but remaining sections like
yeah, ma'am,
Sudoku,
because
puzzles, those sections
yeah,
are not that
I
much
made it,
difficult.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Actually, for pseudocode, I practice from the I have get some questions from the Google. Okay, you can also get guys, if you type like pseudocode for Infosys interview, you will get more than 50 codes. You can practice there, and you will get in some like some grip on that. For puzzles, I have watched some of the videos from the YouTube, and after watching 2 to 3 videos, I get some yeah, grip on that. Then yeah, that techniques will be automatically generated when you see the problems. If you practice more than 10 problems, then you will get that ideas. Then for technical aptitude, as usual, we know we done mathematics from first standard to till engineering. Every questions are like basic questions. Logical reasoning are about your thinking thinking level. It checks your thinking level, how you think, and your memory power. Whenever you come to like seating arrangements and all.
Great. So
And time
Vishwanath, it's
management.
great that you came on our channel and you're sharing all your tips with us. And your interview went very well. I'm sure you are a deserving candidate. That's why they shortlist you and give you a quick response. I'm sure candidates, those who are waiting for Infosys results now, you also may get an results by Monday or Tuesday most probably. So don't worry about all those things. जिन भी कैंडिडेट्स ने 1 सितंबर को दिया है इंटरव्यू, 1 सितंबर 2 सितंबर, एंड स्टिल द इंटरव्यूज आर गोइंग ऑन. So many candidates are there who are still waiting for their interviews to be scheduled, right? So I'm sure all the
Hello,
tips
ma'am.
that Vishwanath shared with us, all the questions that Vishwanath shared with us may help you all. Please do prepare accordingly. Any else tips you want to share, Vishwanath, to all the candidates who are preparing for Infosys company specifically?
Yes, ma'am. This is the last tip, but it's very, very important.
Yeah, please.
Whatever you know, and where from where you come is not difference anything in interview. Okay, just be brave. Don't shy to talk. Just talk whatever you know, and you have to talk confidently, because that interviewer not going to like hang you if you talk confidently. Okay,
Right.
just talk confidently. Don't get nervous, because no one do anything for you. If your confidence level makes him to feel bad, makes your interview to feel bad, he will just reject you. That's it. Just
Right.
talk whatever you know with the full of confidence. Without confidence, we can't crack it, guys.
Right. Confidence is the key to crack any interview actually. Your confidence, your personality, your communication skills. In my all preparation videos, I used to tell you guys, please be confident, work on your communication skills, your presentation skills. That is the most important thing actually. Because during interviews now, we are not expecting much from the freshers, especially technical knowledge. We just want that you should have your basic concepts clear and you're ready to learn. That is the most important thing actually.
Actually, most of the interviewers expect that he should talk. That student should talk.
Yes.
He should express his whatever
knowledge you are having, you should have that ability to share that thing. That yes, whatever I know, I can share with you.
And sometimes they don't even prefer the languages.
Right.
Don't even prefer the particular languages. They just need to how they just see how you can share your ideas with others.
Right.
Whatever the languages is,
actually,
just
as fresher, that is the most important thing. So it's great, Vishwanath, you came on our channel and you're sharing your experience with us. I'm sure this will help to all other candidates. And all the best for your career with Infosys company. You're having your joining on 13th of September. It's really great and all the best for that. And guys, I'll try to request Vishwanath after his joining to came back to our channel again and share his experiences of onboarding as well. Okay, I'm going to ask you, Vishwanath, to came back to our channel and share your onboarding experience, your documentation part, and your remaining details. Right? I'm sure you'll be happy to come on our channel again. Okay. So, guys, this is the video for today. I'm sure all his tips will going to be helpful for all of you. Please do your preparation well and all the best for your career. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for all such relevant content from my side. I used to update regularly. Okay. So thank you so much, Vishwanath, you came in our channel. And thank you so much, guys, that you watch our video till the end. We'll see you next video maybe with a new update. Bye-bye.